What's good, YouTube? My name is Jamie. Welcome back to the channel. I want to be the first to welcome y'all here. So today what we're going to do is we're going to get the mufflers laid on the Chrysler 300C. I don't see any videos on it right now on YouTube that's being done, so I'll be the first to bring out that kind of content. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and head over there right now. Say goodbye to the quiet mufflers. Oh, y'all, I cannot wait, man.
Oh, you feeling a shudder?
This is going to be crazy.
I'm gonna say
Y'all stay tuned. Alright, we are now pulling out on the road with the mufflers taken off. We're going to see how this thing sounds. Alright, here we go. Let's go ahead and turn right here. Oh my god, it already sounds way better. Close the sunroof real quick. We don't want no wind noise. Woo! Don't play! Don't play. This thing is crazy. This is the best $200 I ever spent. Oh my god, my gas is going down though. We need to chill out. Oh, from a stop? Oh my god. Whew. This thing is crazy. Y'all stay tuned.
Boy finna get wicked now. Drive that motherfucker. That's how you. Watch the hump, yeah. That shit sound amazing, y'all.
Hell yeah.
That shit sound amazing.
Watch out for the idiot behind me.
That shit sound amazing, man.